Hi, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you are interested in learning how to receive free label on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supply needs. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 6830. The problem we're having is using the document feeder. It's leaving lines and smudges on the copies. So we're going to open it up. And if you notice those two pieces of glass here, this one is for the skin of bed and this one is for the document feeder. So what we're going to do is clean it off. We're going to use a lint-free rag and glass cleaner. We're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag, not the printer itself. We're going to come over here and clean it off. Once it's nice and clean, we're going to close it back up. We're going to run test pages through it. If all the lines and smudges are gone, we're good. If it's not, we're going to repeat this process until they look great.